So hey students, today I am going to share a 60 days strategies for NEET students so that they can prepare their NEET 2021 with ease. Okay, all the best to all of them. So I am going to read this from collegedekho.com. Okay. NEET UG 60 days preparation strategy. Okay. According to David Frost, don't aim for success if you want it. You do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. Yes, success comes naturally if you do what you love. Preparing for a highly competitive like NEET UG is a challenging task, as NEET UG is the only gateway for admission in MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BUMS, BHMS courses in India. The competition for this exam is high. Therefore, utmost dedication is necessary if you want to crack the exam with a good rank. Good preparation for the exam. Success is a science. If you have the conditions, you get the result. If you are able to master the science of NEET UG preparation strategies and techniques, conditionable days remaining for NEET UG 2021 exam. The NEET UG 2021 60 days preparation strategy is all about being resourceful. The preparation strategy will focus mostly on how to utilize every minute to be able to get ready for the NEET UG 2021 entrance exam. Here are some tips and tricks. The aspirant must go through the NEET UG 2021 syllabus and exam patterns in the most convincing manner possible, because with limited time it will not be possible for them to return back to check the syllabus and exam pattern again and again. Everything should be familiar to the aspirants in those topics which can fetch them full marks. The difficult or time-consuming topics should be left alone, because it will be foolish to hammer something new in the grey cells. Countable days remaining for the NEET UG 2021 exam. While studying, the aspirants must prepare notes which can be used during the final revision stages. Maximum time should be dedicated to attempting a maximum number of NEET UG previous year's questions, sample test papers and NEET UG 2021 mock test papers. NEET UG syllabus is an ocean, and to swim the ocean it is necessary to know what and where the sea coast is exactly located. Before starting the preparation for the NEET UG exam, it is necessary to divide the syllabus. There are different techniques to divide the syllabus, and we are here to help you with the division of syllabus through the examples below. Okay, so you can check this out. Success is simple. Do what's right the right way at the right time. The syllabus on NEET UG is vast. A student must spend at least 6 to 8 hours for the preparation so that he or she can achieve a good rank, which will eventually lead them to admission in top medical colleges. If you are aiming for an MBBS seat in government medical college, 8 months preparation is the best option. Experts from College Dekho has come up with the full proof to ace the NEET UG. Have a look. Okay, all the best.